moldenguitar.com, and this is how to play some of the basic parts to Godzilla by Blue Öyster Cult. Let's start off with some chords. And we're going to use power chords for this. You can start on an F sharp, which is a lot easier than it sounds. Your first finger plays the 6th string on the 2nd fret. And then there's two ways you can do this. You can use your ring finger and your pinky to play the 5th and 4th string 2 frets up from your finger. Or if it's more comfortable, you can just lay down your ring finger and play both. Notice I said 2 frets up from your 1st finger rather than 4th fret. That's because we're going to use the same shape and move it around the neck to play the different chords. So F sharp is the first one. Slide this over 1 string so that your 1st finger is on the 5th string and these 2 fingers are in exactly the same position related to it on the 3rd and 4th strings. Play those 3 strings. Miss the 6th string or it sounds like this, which is wrong. Then you're going to slide it up 2 frets, it's a C sharp, back to the 6th string, up 1 fret, still on the 6th string. That's an A flat, A. Starting to make a little sense? Then you're going to do the hardest shift in the whole song. You're going to slide up 1 fret, over 1 string. Up 1 fret, that's E flat, goes to the E. Then we're going to go back over to the 6th string for the B. Slide back down to the F sharp. Start the whole thing all over again. For the chorus, I'm going to show you 2 chord patterns. Okay, the verse ends on an F sharp power chord. For the chorus, we're just going to slide down 2 frets. Oh wait, there's no place for our 1st finger, so if you want to, you can just play it these 2 fingers or just with this one. You're playing an E power chord. Oh no, they say he's got to go, go, go Godzilla. Woo! Later on in the song, there's another pattern that's very similar. You're going to have to play an E bar chord, but that's not that much more difficult than the power chord. 1st finger goes all the way across the 7th fret. You can let the E string ring, or palm mute it as you wish, and then lay your ring finger down on the 9th fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. Now the reason you're doing this is so you can play this pattern. So all we're doing is 1 and 2 and. Just pick that up and play these 4 strings. And then you can either slide up 2 frets or back down to the original F sharp. Woo! There's a lot of guitar soloing in this, and we'll approach that in a later lesson. But one of the main licks is very easy, and it's at the very beginning. You're going to put 3 fingers on the 10th, 11th, and 12th frets, and you're going to bend that E string a whole step. You're going to do a fast bend up, all the way up to this note, and then bend it back down and hold it. Now usually, yeah, you can do it with 1 finger if you want to, but using 3 fingers gives you a better grip on the string and better control over your bend. Now at the same time, there's another guitar doing it an octave lower on the 3rd string, 9th fret. Notice I'm being careful to palm mute the other strings. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart, as well as links to other lessons about this song. Also, there are links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box that's for your questions. If you can't find something, or something I said didn't make sense, please ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with moldenguitar.com. Thank you for watching.